The right way to remove blackheads at home, according to a dermatologist. If you have a face, it's likely that you've encountered a blackhead in your life. They congest our noses, chins, and can even appear on our backs and legs. But what are these pesky blemishes, and how do we get rid of them? According to Healthline, blackheads, also called closed comedones, occur when dead skin cells and oils collect and clog the opening of a hair follicle. The collection of skin and oil is then exposed to the air, which causes it to look black. It's frustrating that something so simple is so difficult to tame, so Insider consulted with Dr. Julia Tsu, founder and medical director of Wall Street Dermatology, to learn how to extract blackheads and keep our complexions clear. So how do you extract blackheads? According to Dr. Tsu, there isn't one way to remove these pesky blemishes. There are many ways to remove blackheads, she told Insider. You just have to be careful to avoid irritating or damaging the surrounding skin while removing them. The only at-home method for blackhead removal Dr. Tsu recommends are pore strips. She recommends BioRe Deep Cleansing Pore Strips and said that if applied properly, BioRe Pore Strips does a decent job of removing 15–20% of blackheads, but cautions that it's important not to overdo the pore strips though, as that can lead to skin irritation. Dr. Tsu recommends in-office microdermabrasion for the most effective results. If you wanted a more sophisticated skin cleanup, Dr. Tsu told Insider, you can visit your dermatologist for a vacuum-based microdermabrasion. According to Tsu, microdermabrasion is an elegant, non-invasive, and efficient way to remove both blackheads and dirt in the pores, or in layperson's terms, it sucks the dead skin cells and blackheads out. This is especially great if you have dozens of blackheads dotting an area like your nose. Tsu documents this lunchtime procedure on her Instagram, where you can see the blackheads literally being vacuumed out of their pores. The average cost of a microdermabrasion treatment, when done by a dermatologist or licensed plastic surgeon, is around $137 a session. There is no downtime, and besides the effect it has on your pores, it's also great for light scarring, discoloration, sun damage, and stretch marks, according to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons. So, what's the catch? Unfortunately, Dr. Tsu says that none of the removal methods are permanent or 100% satisfactory. As long as dead skin cells and oils continue to accumulate in your pores, you will continue to have blackheads. What about those viral blackhead extraction videos online? While some find blackhead extraction videos online to be an oddly satisfying viewing experience, that doesn't mean you should start squeezing your own face. Most dermatologists do not squeeze every single blackhead out one by one, Dr. Tsu told Insider. She says this is for two reasons: one, it would not be covered by insurance, and two, it would damage the skin. Besides extractions, Dr. Tsu recommends blackhead prevention. Chemical exfoliants such as topical retinoids can be used to help decrease the rate of blackhead formation, so they can be helpful, but it does not eliminate blackheads, Tsu told Insider. You can get a prescription from your doctor for a topical cream like tretinoin, or you can buy over-the-counter beauty products that contain retinol. Both work, though a prescription for tretinoin is typically cheaper with insurance. Salicylic acid is also helpful in warding off blackheads. A facial cleanser with a low percentage of salicylic acid is helpful in clearing out pores, though don't expect to wash your face once and step out of the shower with brand new pores. However, stay away from scrubs or physical exfoliants that claim to remove blackheads. Some physical exfoliants, like Clean and Clear Blackhead Eraser Facial Scrub, tout microbioids to scrub away the blackheads, though Dr. Tsu says manual and physical exfoliators like these ones are not useful. She also cautions against facials or estheticians who claim to manually remove blackheads in their practice. At the end of the day, Dr. Tsu calls blackheads an extremely common cosmetic nuisance